Karibu tena mtazamaji. Jopo kazi la uteuzi wa mwenyekiti na makamishna wa tume ya uchaguzi nchini IEBC limekamilisha usaili wa waliotuma maombi na kuorodheshwa, na sasa linatarajiwa kuandaa ripoti yake na kuwasilisha majina kwa Rais William Ruto, mawili kwa wadhifa wa mwenyekiti na 9 ya nafasi ya makamishna, ili Rais ateue mwenyekiti na makamishna 6 wa tume mpya. Mwenyekiti wa jopo hilo Nelson Makanda amesema kwamba jopo hilo litawasilisha ripoti yake kwa Rais tarehe 11 mwezi Mei na limefanya kazi yake bila mapendeleo.
The names that the president chooses, 1 for chair and 6 for members of the commission, as they are approved by parliament, they shall become commissioners, and their conduct and their action starts there. They take responsibility of their actions. Whether they do good or do wrong to Kenyans and to the process, it cannot be the responsibility of this panel. You are the journalist and you're the media people. You can tell us the sources of those names. We do not know where the names have come from. What we know is that we still have names of 111 and 11 names for chair that we have interviewed here, and those are the ones we are going to consider. It is our role and responsibility as a selection panel to shortlist. It's not the role of media, it's not the role of anybody else. So the panel exercised its duty and its responsibility to shortlist 105 names. And upon considerations, we also included 6 names, and it was not a sneak in. We published the names.
Na huku shule